I prepare breakfast in the morning. I prepare breakfast in the morning. I make coffee at home. I make coffee at home. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I wash clothes on the weekend. I wash clothes on the weekend. I exercise every morning. I exercise every morning. I finish my homework at home. I finish my homework at home. I have breakfast at home. I have breakfast at home. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I eat fruit every day. I eat fruit. I drink water in the morning. I drink water in the morning. I drink coffee at work. I drink coffee at work. I drink juice with breakfast. I go to sleep at night. I go to sleep at night. I sleep late on weekends. I sleep late on weekends. I rest on the sofa. I rest sofa. I drive to work every day. 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 I use my phone every day. I use my phone every day. I use a computer at work. I use a computer at work. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. I live in a big city. I live in a big city. I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment. I live with my family. I live. Hi! Always learn with English. Always learn with English. And subscribe.